If you feel like you're doing everything right and still not seeing progress, this is for you. Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they're following bad advice or missing a few key details. Mistake number 1. Relying only on workouts, ignoring nutrition. What's you do? You hit the gym hard but eat without a plan. How to fix it? Fat loss depends 70% on nutrition. You can't make with a bad diet. A simple calorie deficit, enough protein, and whole foods make a huge difference. Mistake number 2. Doing too much cardio, not enough strength training. You're doing endless treadmill sessions, but no body composition changes. How to fix it? Strength training builds lean muscle, which burns more calories at rest. It's the secret weapon for long-term fat loss. Add strength training in your plan. Mistake number 3. No structure or progress tracking. You're doing random workouts, no measurable progress. How to fix it? You need a plan tailored to your goal and lifestyle. Track your workouts, measure progress weekly, and adjust intelligently. You can contact us to get a personalized workout plan for you. These are simple fixes, but doing them consistently is where most people fail. That's why I will create a fitness plan that handles this for you. If you're tired of guessing, click the link in the description to contact us on WhatsApp and get your personalized plan. Join us to start your fitness journey. We will make it easy for you. Subscribe now for regular updates.